Okay, for those of you who speak more than 2 languages, so if you're trilingual or multilingual, necesito saber, when you learned your third language, was it harder for you than learning your second language? Because right now, estoy aprendiendo portugués, right? And it's harder than I thought it would be. And like, it's true that I understand a lot of Portuguese because of the fact that I speak Spanish fluently. But here's what happens to me when I try to learn Portuguese. Because it's so similar to Spanish, it's almost like more difficult for that reason. Because, for example, the word corazón is corazao, or like manzana is masa, and like buen día is bon dia. And then my brain gets transferred to Spanish brain when I'm trying to speak Portuguese, and so I pronounce all the words in Portuguese like Spanish, and I try and use the Spanish words. I think that if I were to try and learn like German or Japanese or something completely different from Spanish, it might be a little bit easier because it's such a different mindset that it wouldn't be confusing between the two. But like, how do trilingual or multilingual people not confuse their second and their third language with each other? Because I'm having a really hard time, bestie. Quiero ser trilingüe. Quiero hablar portugués también. Pero me cuesta mucho.